Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky Man, whiskey and kicks.
All right. Now let's get this. Let's get these things going. Let's get something going here.
We're gonna do something a little uncharacteristic, sir. This is the first time in unboxing history.
I had a feeling.
Which one are you?
She got the same shoe.
The first time in unboxing
I had a feeling, yo. I swear to God. He was a little too excited around the same time I hit on these.
These are the first I ever hit on. Did you get both of them?
No, I only went for one.
I went for both because I wasn't sure if the sneaker gods would continue their reign of terror over my life. And the same thing that happened to you on the last episode happened to me. I won both of them.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
And I am still waiting. That's
For
what
other
I'm waiting
pairs.
for.
Other pairs
for
are all
other
blue?
pair. They're all white with black.
Black.
It's black.
I knew this was gonna happen, yo. I swear to God.
This is a first. An absolute first.
This is what happens when you teeter over into the other person's territory.
This has never happened.
This is what happens.
This has never happened before.
This is how this happens. Now it's a check. What are we gonna do? We either never go out to dinner together again, ever, or meet up together, ever, or what we're gonna have to do? Start texting? We have to start doing check-aheads? I'm not a check-ahead guy.
I'm gonna have to. I feel like, I don't know if you remember back in the day when Roland Martin and them used to be on the Tom Joyner show, and just before they would have events, they would call Roland Martin on his segment would be like, call your color for the weekend. That way, when it was time to wear their suits, no one would dress the same.
And the thing is that Joe matches. I don't match.
Absolutely.
So that wouldn't even work for us.
Let me tell you how disgusting I was over these. I got them in the mail and immediately went and purchased a burgundy suit. I was gonna buy the burgundy suit anyway.
Right.
But I have to, because these are going to be my suit sneakers.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Your joint's on it. There you go. Get them
Yeah.
on camera. A first.
First.
Same exact sneaker.
And I knew, I had a feeling this is what it was.
This is like a Starbucks being open on one side of the street and someone opening a Starbucks on the other side of the street. Right across from it, facing each other.
In the immortal words of the comedian, I've now been to the end of the earth.
We've been to the end of the earth.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is officially the beginning and the end.
Do we still break this? Who breaks this down?
We both do. We both do.
It's hilarious.
Yeah.
It's a quality shoe.
It's fantastic.
It's a beautiful shoe. It's a Clark. It's an Adidas. It's what's this? What are they called? Charles F. Steed, who they make leather.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So we looked them up the other day. Beautiful, typical Clark grippy rubber sole that you would get on a Wallaby or a desert boot. Mm-hmm. And beautiful suede all the way around.
All the way around.
All the way around, except for the stripes and the back tab, which are leather.
Absolutely.
Plush on the inside.
With the super dope Ronnie Fieg Kith. And even though these are the Kith brand joints, he chose to go with the Fieg brand all over instead of Kith. Mm-hmm. There's a specific leather heel tab inside.
Yeah.
That has the debossed Adidas sign and Ronnie Fieg, and then the same thing on the tongue. I mean,
yes,
the tongue is
nice leather
thick
tab on the
and
tongue
padded
with the rough edges on it.
Yeah, man.
It's such a comfortable shoe.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
And you got to leave the tabs on.
Oh,
They have to because they're Clarks.
yeah, of course.
So why wouldn't
I've
you?
never had a Wallaby that I didn't leave the tab on.
Yeah.
Crazy?
One suede, one leather. You know?
Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful shoe.
Fantastic sneaker, man.
Need to
Fantastic
waterproof them
sneaker.
and then figure something. I haven't even thought about what I'm doing with mine yet.
I wasn't sure which one you. I had a feeling this was it.
Hilarious, y'all. I swear to God. Like around the time I hit, and you were like, you called me up like, yo, it's some things about to happen.
It's some things about to happen. So, to be completely transparent, I went all the way in this time. But I was having such a great couple of days. I had just gotten my new job the day before,
Yes,
a couple of days
congrats on that,
before.
congrats on that.
So I was like, I am at the height. And the immortal words of James from Tune the Fork, when you win in a raffle, it's because you're doing something good in life.
You're doing something good in life. Keep doing it.
Keep doing it.
Keep doing
well,
it.
I did it. I shot in, because a couple weeks before that, I tried for the black and white New Balance joints for
Fresh goods.
fresh goods for belly.
Goods. Yeah.
Yeah, I really wanted the blue ones, but
Blue
those
ones
were
is hard,
gone
but
quick.
I like the white joints. It's tough.
Yeah, so I took a shot at these.
First
won
raffle
both.
ever.
First
Twice.
raffle ever.
Boom. Two joints.
I saw a hit, and I was just like, huh. All right. What do we do now?
Well, I hit again. This is my fourth raffle in a row.
Yeah.
Crazy, son.
Yeah,
Crazy.
There it is, man.
There it is.
And there it is.
We
That's
got a few
fun.
minutes left, man. Paul, next round. Were you planning on going last with those?
No, I wasn't sure. These were the ones I wasn't sure of.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because I wanted to wait till I got the black and white ones too.
Oh,
and at the same
yeah.
time.
Okay,
so,
gotcha. All right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No,
That'd
what's
be-
going last is going to stay last.
Rocky, keep talking about this team.